Hey everyone, welcome to the Captain Drone YouTube channel. My name is Steve and I am a drone pilot. Now the purpose of this video is to say a big thank you to all you viewers for sending such kind, heartfelt comments to my recent family member loss. Many of your comments helped me through some dark time, especially those who also suffered a family member loss and shared their feelings and how they coped with it. That was very helpful. And as many of you have commented, as time goes on, things do improve. To pass the time, I did plenty of motorcycle rides. I also hung out with my friends and did plenty of RC car bashing. Here I am out at my field with my RC cars.
All right, so over here we have Jack on the left. No, don't wave, Steve. Now everybody thinks you're Jack. That's Steve. That's Jack. And we have Jacques over here.
Buddy.
But honestly, as a drone pilot, I thought, drones would provide the most relaxation for me to get away and get my mind off things. But drones were okay. But the thing that was the best for my mind to just wander and not think of anything negative was to fly RC planes in the early morning and also late evening. Now, as a YouTuber, I find it very difficult not to go out and have fun and not have a camera with me. So I always bring cameras with me and audio and everything else. And I film what I do because there's always magic in just going out and having fun. So you might see a lot of RC plane reviews coming up in the future because I do have an awful lot of RC planes. As an FPV drone pilot and as a camera drone DJI pilot, you can just transfer those skills and fly RC planes, and I started that last May, and I'm really loving the RC plane hobby because it's so easy to fly. So this video is pretty much just an update video, but more a thank you video to say thanks for all your comments, and thanks for watching this YouTube channel, because if nobody was watching this channel, I wouldn't bother making one. I should also note that I'm still on a break and I'm not back into doing YouTube videos full time, so you might get a rash of videos coming up on all sorts of things, and then nothing for a while, and then a whole more videos popping up. So anyways, you'll have to stay tuned and check out what I have coming up next. So until then, I say bye.